Hey guys, welcome back. Today is day 2. So yesterday we disassembled all the parts from the bike. Today we are going to get the parts prepared, primed, maybe paint, and then clean the bike, and then we will see next week. So yesterday was Saturday, today is Sunday. The parts are all in front of me. Here we are, and yeah, I'm going to just sand this down, and then let's see where we get from there. Little small progresses to much bigger cause. Let's get cracking. So the idea is we're going to sand this down, and I'll tell you my brush and get some grass out of the way, and we're going to just use water and sand this down. Now you'll notice with plastic, one type is the plastic which has got exposed to the sun, and if you scratch them they easily come off, and the other part of plastic is probably a more the shiny one, like this. This had I think a sticker on this, so you see here it's very smooth. So we're going to rub all this down until we find a surface which is easy to work with, so we can then prime it. So yeah, so let's get cracking. It's important to use water, because what water will do is as you sand down, you get all this dirt, and you don't want the dirt to go back on the place you sand. If not, it'll leave a scratch mark. So you want to sand this down. Now I got this block here. This came from Daiso, was 5 ringgit, because Daiso is a 5 ringgit shop, or 5.90 I think, and it helps you to just grip it very hard, so you get a nice even flat surface. Because the last thing you do is, if you were to sand this down with just sandpaper, your fingers have got I guess fingers and you apply pressure unevenly. So with this block here, basically it just comes out, and you can see the sandpaper is there. This lets you apply even amount of pressure and sand it down. Already I think it's looking pretty good. And cut my grass. Okay, I want to show you here. This is what I call, like, I don't know, 5 seconds of work here, and you can see how smooth that is. Okay, so yeah, I'm quite happy with that. If I get all the parts to this surface, put a primer on it, it'll be pretty good. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Very nice, very smooth. Another awesome thing about this pads are, yes, it connects this way, and you put the sandpaper like this and fold it and put it, but even as is, this is actually abrasive, you know. So just to do this, to scuff up the surface, these are actually pretty good, because as you apply pressure, they'll conform to the contour of the body panel. So yeah, these things are pretty awesome. After about 30 minutes, these are my sanded and washed parts. I've sanded them, as you can see. I've washed them, let it dry, got to wipe it down, and I want to show you here. That's the I guess it's the paint, the paint of the plastic coming off. It's so black. Yeah. Now that it's dry, I'm going to do is just wipe this off. And although I've actually cleaned this up, let's see how much dirt there is. Oh, this is pretty clean. Okay, so there's not much dust in there, but it's good. I need to give it super dry, because this is the point I'm going to apply the primer, and I can't afford to have anything damp in there. So it's very important to get to all those small little corners, you know, make sharp little edges on the tissue, and dry them up. See, get to all the corners there. It's dry enough. This was good. So we're gonna spray now.
Spray black color one up. To red one up.
We're gonna spray, Harish.
What color is going to be spray, Pa?
It's well, this is the primer, Harish.
Yeah, the primer is what color, Pa?
Primer is grey color, Harish.
Gray color. But gray color.
Grey color. You know what is primer? So this is a primer. This is called a plastic primer. Okay, and what this does is this primer, Harish,
Yeah?
makes the plastic easier for you to paint on because it's gonna stick. If you don't use this, Harish, then after you spray, right, the paint will come off. Okay, so that's what we use as a primer. Now the wind is blowing this way. Okay, I gotta be careful, Harish, when I spray, so that the wind doesn't blow. Okay, the trick, Harish, here is you must get light coats. Understand? Light coats. Okay, I'll try now. The wind is blowing this way. The nozzle here, you see, it's flat. Oh, lot of wind, Okay, let me block the wind body.
No, any kind of color.
It's clear.
Oh, this color. Why did you
Oh,
tell me?
it's a clear primer, Harish.
It's a clean